Okay, hi guys. Welcome to the part 3 of the trading system ng Bayan. So, we're now down to the last trading setup na i-discuss natin for this part 3, which is the high breakout. So, the criteria for high breakout is basically lahat ng MA mo, EMA3, MA8, MA20, saka MA50, they're on top of each other na naka-align sila pataas, no? So, um, naka naka-uptrend 'to, no? Yung trend niya in the short uh, timeline. Tapos basically, um, titingnan mo lang yung previous na swing high. Tapos, yun yung magiging pag nag-close yung price above the recent swing high, yun ang gagawin nating entry or trigger. Tapos yung exit, same lang. Same. Same lang yan. Dapat muscle memory nyo na yan. Okay. So sa criteria, no, above MA3, above MA8, tapos MA8, above MA20. Kumbaga, ano yan, may alignment, no? Now, ang entry mo dyan ay hanapin mo yung swing high na ganitong pattern. So, here. Tapos, or basically, makikita mo din yung level ng ano ng Donchan channel. Makikita mo yun Ganyan, itsura. Tapos, may alignment. Entry ka dyan. Tapos, ganun ulit. Swing high, may entry. Nag-close above the swing high, close above the swing high, close above the swing high. So, ganun. Basically, ganun lang siya. So, initial exit mo, ganun ulit. Low ng breakout candle. Eto. Usually kasi 'di ba since high breakout to, usually the breakout candle is ang magiging exit mo diyan is yung low ng breakout candle na 'yon. Unless yung recent swing low is konti lang naman diferensya, pwede na yung recent swing low. Okay? Now, ganun lang din, i-adjust mo lang din yung exit mo to the recent swing low and low of breakout candle. So, yon. Ganun lang siya kadali, no? HBO. Ito yung swing high, tapos break of swing high, break of swing high. Now, this part, no, indecision candle. So, pwedeng wag mong i-take. Tapos dito ka, decision candle, decisive na candle to, entry, decisive candle, tapos exit everything. Or exit everything ka din dito. Sa part na to. Kasi nag-close siya below MA20. Yun. And then, ganun lang. Usually, nangyayari to dun sa mga stocks na talagang uptrend, mabilis. So, pwede mong, pag di mo siya nakuha ng mini at sa classic retrace, pwede mo siyang habulin sa high breakout. Okay? Yan, yung mga sila DG Plus, high breakout. Ayun. So that's all, no? So, again, no, just to clarify yung structure ng setups natin. We're trying to capture yung markup phase, no? From yung last part ng accumulation stage. Tapos pag nag-breakout siya accumulation stage, that's the trend shift. Tapos magmi-mini retrace yan or magka-classic retrace yan. Pero uptrend pa rin, intact pa rin yung ano. Tapos kung magkakahabol ka, ang gagamitin mo dun ay pwedeng mini retrace at saka high breakout. Ayun, na setup. Ganun lang, no? So, again, it's easier said than done, no? So, hindi lahat naman ng meron kang setups, papatusin mo yon. Kaya meron tayong i-discuss sa part 4 na stock screening. Ano yung criteria naman ng stock na yon para mapunta siya sa ating watch list? Kasi, syempre, merong hit rate yung mga setups na to. Ano yung magpapataas ng kanyang probability na mag, tawag dun, na mag-materialize yung trade in your favor. So, yun yung i-discuss natin sa part 4. So, kung paano pumili ng stock and then, um, yung next part nun is magkano bibilin mo sa deployment. Okay? So, ayun. Again, no, please follow us in our social media accounts. And then, yun, this has been Mr. B. Bye for now.